everyone, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Now, the government of India has finally allowed the theatres to have 100% seating capacity with certain guidelines. Now, these guidelines include that there should be 6 feet distance between the people outside the premises of the theatres or multiplexes. At the same time, sanitization should be in every entry and exit points. Apart from that, there should also be a certain time limit between one movie show to the other movie show, so that not lot of people come and stand at the same time. It also includes temperature check. Always the viewers are supposed to wear mask all the time during the movie, all while being in and around the movie premises. Another update for the day is that now the central government is planning to bring guidelines for the OTT platforms. The OTT platforms have been in news for a very long time now, and a lot of people, including politicians and common people and people on social media, have been demanding the central government to bring regulations to OTT platforms, to make a body to regulate the content that is shown on OTT platforms. And now finally, after all the speculations and the controversies, Prakash Javadekar said that the center will soon come up with the guidelines for OTT content. Speaking of controversies, Family Man 2, which was supposed to release on Amazon Prime Video from February 12th, is now planning to postpone its release date. Looking at all the controversies that's behind Tandav and Mirzapur and all the FIRs that have been filed against the content creators or the actors of the particular web series. Now, seeing all these controversies, Family Man 2 wants to be safe and not really release its web series anytime soon until the controversies behind Tandav and Mirzapur settles down. As the centre has now given 100% seating capacity for all the cinema halls and theatres and multiplexes, people are now anticipating that Akshay Kumar's much awaited film Suryavanshi, which was supposed to release last year on March 24th, will finally hit the screens. And in fact, people are speculating the date to be April 2nd. Now, the official confirmation has not yet come from Rohit Shetty or any makers or producers or the actors of the film, but it is anticipated that the film will soon hit the screens in April. Bollywood diva Preity Zinta is celebrating her 46th birthday today. On this day, people are remembering her old characters from movies like Dil Chahta Hai, from Veer Zara and Kal Ho Na Ho. So people are talking about Preity Zinta and her dimple and her acting in iconic films and cannot stop wishing her on social media. Now that the Indian film industry is returning to its pre-COVID era, a lot of filmmakers are revealing their release date. Especially the South Indian films are coming forward and revealing their release dates. In the latest film to enter the release date list is Dhanush's Karnan. Now the makers have told that the movie will be hitting the screens in the month of April as summer release. The movie also stars Rajesh Vijayan, who will be starring opposite Dhanush, and it is a Mari Selvaraj directorial. Janhvi Kapoor, who was in Punjab shooting for her upcoming film Good Luck Jerry, has finally returned to Mumbai. Now, this particular shoot for the particular film was not so easy for the actress because twice the farmers who were protesting against the farm bills had halted the shoot and had also demanded the actress to voice in support of her, for which in fact once she had to take to her Instagram stories and urge the people to support these farmers. After that, another incident happened when the protesters halted the shoot, but after a lot of negotiation, finally the makers have completed the shoot and the actress has returned to the city. Speaking of South Indian films revealing its release date, we also have power star Pawan Kalyan's upcoming film Vakil Sahab hitting the screens on the 9th of April. Now, this announcement was made by the film's producer Boney Kapoor, who took to Twitter and announced the release date of the film. Now, Vakil Sahab is a remake of the Hindi film that is Amitabh Bachchan starrer and Taapsee Pannu starrer Pink. In Hollywood, if people are excited about any web series or the upcoming series, it is Sex and the City Revival. Now, talking about the same and about the plot, Sarah Parker has revealed to a media portal that this series will incorporate COVID-19 situation in it, apart from the political views and the world society social world views. So now you can actually hope to see the COVID-19 situation in the series, which will have about 10 episodes, each of duration 30 minutes. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.